Hello everyone. Whoops, what the heck? Oh, sorry. So here's how to make a working funnel. So you need this, which is called a trigger, and this, which is called a timer, and all that. But and also you need a light source like this, and make the body yourself. And also to make the sound, you need this. Oh, some of this I messed up. Sorry. So this is a custom map that I did totally made. I downloaded it. Yeah. Also, it's a event, so yeah. Sorry. It may respawn everything, but still, I'm not gonna let that happen because I just spent all my time. No, please don't respawn. Thank you. So here, how it works. If you want, you can put that in there, like put that in there, and also you have to freeze it so that it doesn't fall. And also, it may look a little weird. Whoops, that's the wrong thing. What? Whoa, what are you doing, bruh? Oh, just put that there. You want to make this layer so that, nope. Hello? Go under, bruh. That's it. But still, this one is under there, and whoop. Let me make this guy go up. Like that. Yes, there you go. If you, sorry, if you want it, make it, make it like that. Now it's done. Um, you may want to make, whoops, what? What are you doing, bro? Anyways, if you want to make it like, yeah. If you want to make it work, then just put the trigger out of the way and then put it under the alarm. Now, it can be a pole station, but for now, it's that. We're not gonna surround the whole thing, but yeah. Here how it works. So firstly, you press this. Hello. Sorry if that doesn't work anymore. Hello. Anyways, let me see what the problem is. Oh. Hello. Activate. No. What is exactly the problem here? Let me put that back there. I think here's the problem. When I put it together, the clock doesn't move because, yeah, it's very limited space. So I'm gonna make the horn a little bit smaller, like bada bing, like that. It looks so squished, by the way. And then I think it's done. I think I fixed the problem, but it's gonna kind of stick out oddly, but yeah, we don't care. Anyways, let me test it again. What? What is the problem here? Let me get that out of there. Anyways, let me get all of these out. And let me test it again. Wait. Oh, frig, yeah. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Why wasn't it working? Like, let me add that there. I'm just so dumb. It wasn't all of these. It was just all the triggers. Oh my god. I'm just really dumb today. I could just do that, but maybe I could delete that and replace that with a button or a lever? I guess so. Yep. I could do that. Where did the lever go? There we go. Anyways, I'll just make this like that and bada booba. It's not stolen. I have no idea what to do, so I had to freaking copy your ID. Oops. What the heck am I doing? Sorry if I copy your ID. I have no idea what to design this. Exactly, I'm gonna make it a Simplex keyboard instead of copying the designs. Like, for now, it will look like this. No backbox. I'm not so. We're gonna tie that there, tie that there. What is this saucy music, by the way? It's just made by this thing. What the heck am I talking? Anyways, put that copy there. I just did some copying, not just like, whoops. We may need to put it like back there. We may want to make it flatter because we want to make it do it. Not the whole lever. There we go. Like, no, with that. And then move it like that. And then put that there. And then make that like around there. And then like right there. It may look weird for a second, but yeah, it's just my design. So please don't freaking laugh in the comments saying it's so freaking damn weird. It's just my best, okay? Let me test it. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I didn't even wire up yet. Where did it go? Oh, I'm super dumb today. Let me set it to the clock. What? I will just kind of do that. Sorry, that was my tool doing its things. But let me put that there again. Cover this up. And then hope it the best day. Whoops. So. Oh, whoops. It's in the crusher. I didn't even mean to do that. Oh my god. For now, I'll just delete all of this junk. I'm gonna recreate it again, but this time I'll freeze it so that it doesn't freaking glitch around. For now, it's a lever. For now. Also, I'm gonna make the lever like a pull station. I'm just gonna make the lever here. Not make the lever. Put the lever here. And then switch the side. Whoop. Sorry. And then how about that? Just way up to the top. What? Like this wire up to the clock. There we go. Freeze that. And then also put it right there. Sorry. Oh my god. It's so awkward to pull. Anyways, I'm just gonna make it like that. How about that? Oh no! It looks so dumb today. What? What the heck? How about that? That looks great, but it's kind of weird. Put that there. Oh my flippin' nuggets! This video is 9 minutes long. Sorry about that. But you're gonna enjoy it because you like long videos, right? If you don't like long videos, just click off this video or maybe have a good day hanging out with your family. Anyways, that was weird. Let me delete that again. And then for now, Yes, I'll copy someone's idea because it's so damn fucking good. Like, I can't even resist on how good it was. Oops. Bro, can you stop clicking these buttons? 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 What the heck am I talking? Don't get this freaking video copyright. Oh, not again. Like, why is it 20,000 minutes? Oh, flip no. We gotta tie that to this. Not this absolute horrendous music again. I'm gonna put that there. Whoops. Like right there, like that. Let me put the lever there. Let me put that there. Let me put that there. Can the AI stop copying words? Like, it's doing it too much. Like, all of a sudden, if it says that, it says it like 1,000 bajillion times. Like, what are you guys doing, bruh? Are we okay, bruh? I mean, like, that's a freaking dumb AI doing its things. Like, spinning its wheels. Now, how many times did I just say? I mean, like, how many times have I opened this? Like, it's been like 1,000 years. What did I just say? I meant 1,000 years, and then I just messed it up by doing some absolute. What? Sorry, that was some. Never mind. What am I doing? Nah. What am I doing? Let me freeze that, and then let's test it. Please don't. What the goofy? Oh, I didn't even type it. Oh no! Oh, flip no. There we go. We just have to just place it. Like, freaking place it. That will work, right? Nope. Nope. Just have to cut this rope here. Don't cut the... Yes, thank you. Always. How about... What should I use? A chain? That would be perfect. I mean, a spring. Oh my god, it's so springy. You just have to, like, pull it, like, extra. Just like I said, I just have to just pull it extra hard so that I can pull down. Oh my god, I just got violated. Oh, well, that. Oh, flip. What did he use? He used this one. Oh my god! It's like spring loaded, but even worse than your nightmares. For now, it's not gonna pull like this because yeah. Also, I'm just gonna make this really, really tiny as the blocker for the thing. But watch as I do that. Whoops! It's so damn weird. Oh, how did it do that? Let me try that again, but wait. Did he use this? I think so. Sorry. Oh, yes! Finally, it works like an absolute... No, nah, don't do that. Don't. I said don't do it. Fine, kill. It's too much time, but I'm just gonna make fire alarm system. I'm just gonna say that because it doesn't really reset. Hello? Can you reset? I do. Thank you. That's really weird. Anyways, I'm just gonna remove that. And why, yo, what are you doing? Oh my, 5 minutes. Just gonna do that. Oh my hell nuts. What? Wait, let me make it like that. Anyways, it's gonna take a while to load, or maybe it will take a while to upload. So sorry, system. By the way, bye.